Hi everyone, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we partnered with Hitway again, and we're bringing you the BK17 assembly. Let's get right into the video.
Okay, hi. I'm here to try to build this Hitway BK17. It does come with a manual. It's a very big manual, but it is in different languages. So you just scroll through to the English part in here, or whatever language you are, and it will take you step by step through. It's got pictures and words, so it's quite good, and it explains it very clearly. The bike itself comes with numerous accessories. So it does come with, like I said, the instruction. It does come with a pump, quite a nice size pump actually to use. It comes with 2 chargers, because this Hitway comes with 2 batteries. So it's got a huge range on it as well, which we'll come to later. It comes also with a combination lock, which you can put on the frame for a deterrent. Comes with a multi-tool and a couple of spanners. I believe actually these are pretty good to keep actually on the bike itself. So if you've got any stuff you've got to do on it, this will do most of it for you. Comes with a right and left pedal, again, which we'll come to later on. Now you can see the bike itself comes all wrapped up. Obviously it comes in a great big cardboard box, which I have recycled. So then I'm going to depack this, but you don't want to see all that. So what I'm going to do is do a little bit of the old magic in 3, 2, 1, and here we are, all unpacked. So first part we're going to do is here. We've got the 4 Allen keys here. We used our nice little tool here to undo these. So just undo them. Just stick them to one side for a moment. So in here you see it's grooved in here for grip, and the handlebars themselves here come all complete, all apart from clipping in. As you can see here, we've got some more grooved pieces here. So when that sits in there, once that's clamped in, that's going to hold in the position that you are comfortable with. I would say, just to start with, just get the handlebars nice and tidy where you want them, and get the bolts in place. So and again, just put them in hand tight to start with. Each one. What I would be inclined to do is, with your Allen key tool, is to just take them up slowly. Okay, so now we've got the handlebars on, we're going to fit the front mudguard. You can see here there's 3 points we've got to put on. We've got an Allen key here with a nut behind it as well, so we can put that between, keeping the washer there. So that goes into this adjustable little hole here, so you can adjust that up and down. Then you've got 2 other points here, so you've got an Allen key on this side and an Allen key this side, and the 2 holes. But what I would say is, just to start with, is to undo this first. Okay, put that through here, onto here. Okay, then up into here. So, and then get yourself the Allen key. Okay, just hand tight that up, just to start with, not too much, because what you can do, if you slacken this very slightly, what you can do, you can then adjust the height of it. I possibly would go to the highest bit to start with, so keep it up out of the way of the wheel. Allows for any obstacles and stuff when you're out, if you're off-road. Once you've done that, and then what we're going to do then is undo these bolts here, and then we're going to fit into that bolt the round support into there, and reverse and put it back on again. And say these
again, use your Allen key. They have got paint on these bolts, so they won't freely come out by themselves. So again, straight through the actual hole itself, and then into the housing. Okay.
Okay, so now we're going to put the pedals on. As you can see, the pedals themselves do come marked left and right. You can see the stickers on the end. And what I would say you do, if you just set these off, just to start with by hand, they will screw in. They get to the point where it just gets a little bit too tight. Just get the spanner and then just finish it off quite nicely. Nice and smooth. Okay, until it pinches up. Just a little bit of pressure there. Perfect. And the same on the left hand side as well. Okay, so we're going to put the front wheel on. There's a couple of things you've got to be aware of. So I've slid it in ready. Well, on this side here, where you've got the brake disc, just make sure when it goes into the pads there, that you line it up properly. So what I'll suggest is, like I've done this side, take the bolt off and take the securing washer. You can leave one side on. As you can see, there's plenty of room. It's got two spacer washers either side that go between the frame and the wheel. Now, if you notice here, we've got a washer and a secure nut here. So in the frame itself, you see there, that sits in there nicely. Okay, just make sure that's in there, and then when that is in, we can tighten that all the way up. You might have to adjust this so it goes across the bike itself, and the same on the other side. Okay, my summary of building this bike is a very, very simple bike to put together. I built quite a few of these. This is really good. The frame itself is very solid. I really like the thing about the two batteries. I really like the thing about the safety with a really bright headlight. It's got a really clear display and simple, very simple to use. It's got derailleur gears, and to top it all off, you've got a really comfy saddle with big off-road tyres. So I think actually really spot on bike.
Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the Hitway e-bike assembly. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I'll try my best to get back to you. Please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the review.